Imagine this: you wake up to the gentle rays of the morning sun spilling across a quiet, secluded lake. The smell of fresh coffee drifts through your RV, and you stretch, knowing that the next adventure is entirely yours to command. But this isn't just any RV, it's the 2027 IVECO Daily Hi-Matic, a true masterpiece for those who demand luxury, comfort, and performance on the open road. Today, we're going to step inside, explore every corner, and show you why this RV isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle. From the moment you see it parked, the IVECO Daily Hi-Matic commands attention. Its sleek exterior design blends modern lines with a bold, confident stance. The LED headlamps glint in the sunlight, giving it a futuristic look, while the aerodynamic contours aren't just for aesthetics, they improve efficiency and handling, making every mile smooth and effortless. This is a motorhome that promises more than travel, it promises an experience. Stepping inside, the sense of space is immediately apparent. The interior of the 2027 Hi-Matic is nothing short of spectacular. The designers have thought of everything, from the plush seating to the modular furniture that adapts to your needs. Every inch is crafted for comfort. The lounge area features premium materials, soft leather, polished wood accents, and subtle ambient lighting that creates a warm, inviting atmosphere. Imagine curling up with a book, sipping your coffee, or enjoying a panoramic view of a mountain range through the oversized windows. This isn't just about moving from point A to point B, it's about enjoying the journey in style. The kitchen is a chef's dream. A full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, and smart storage solutions make meal prep effortless, whether you're cooking a gourmet dinner or just brewing a quick cup of coffee. And when it's time to unwind, the bathroom is pure luxury, sleek fixtures, high-quality surfaces, and ample space for everything you need. It's designed to feel more like a high-end hotel than a traditional RV. Driving this beauty is an experience all on its own. The Hi-Matic automatic transmission delivers buttery smooth shifts, making long drives stress-free. The engine is powerful yet efficient, offering the perfect balance between performance and economy. Safety features are top-notch. Advanced braking systems, lane keeping assist, and 360-degree cameras ensure peace of mind, whether you're cruising along coastal roads or navigating mountain passes. Every detail is engineered for comfort, convenience, and control. But luxury isn't just about materials and tech, it's about lifestyle details. The panoramic windows flood the cabin with natural light, the ambient LED lighting can be adjusted to suit your mood, and cleverly designed storage solutions mean everything has its place, keeping your space tidy and elegant. You'll notice how the small touches, a well-placed cup holder, a soft close cabinet, or a cleverly concealed charging port, combine to create an experience that feels effortless and indulgent. So what sets the 2027 Hi-Matic apart from other luxury RVs? It's the combination of functionality and elegance. Many RVs offer one or the other, either luxury or practicality, but this model delivers both. The new design features improved aerodynamics for better fuel efficiency, upgraded insulation for comfort in any climate, and innovative storage solutions that make long trips easy and stress-free. It's not just a motorhome, it's a well-thought-out companion for life on the road. Compared to previous models, the 2027 Hi-Matic introduces a range of upgrades. The interior is more spacious, the materials more refined, and the technology more integrated. Every system, from climate control to the infotainment setup, has been refined to ensure a seamless experience. And yet, despite all the luxury, it still maintains the rugged reliability that IVECO is known for. You're not just buying style, you're investing in durability, longevity, and a vehicle that's ready for adventure, no matter where the road takes you. Now, I want to hear from you. If you could design your perfect RV lifestyle, which feature would you prioritize? Would it be the spacious lounge with panoramic views, the state-of-the-art kitchen, or the smooth, effortless driving experience? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to know which part of this luxury Hi-Matic has you most excited. And if you've ever traveled in a high-end RV, share your favorite memories, we might feature them in the next video. From its striking exterior to the sumptuous interior, from its advanced driving systems to the everyday convenience features, the 2027 IVECO Daily Hi-Matic redefines what a luxury RV can be. It's not just a place to sleep or a vehicle to drive, it's an invitation to explore the world in comfort, style, and confidence. Imagine waking up in a different city each morning, cooking breakfast in a kitchen that rivals your own, relaxing in a lounge bathed in natural light, and hitting the open road knowing you're in control of a true masterpiece on wheels. Whether you're an RV enthusiast, a weekend traveler, or someone dreaming about the freedom of the open road, this motorhome promises an experience that transcends travel. It's about living the journey. And if this tour inspired your wanderlust or gave you ideas for your next adventure, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the latest luxury RVs. After all, the road to your next adventure starts here, and the 2027 IVECO Daily Hi-Matic is ready to take you there in style.